What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do a video as my nerf guns. Today we have the strong arm. Next up, we got the modulus with my nerf with my revelator elite. It's just combined. And I also got a sword that can easily beat somebody. Next up, we're gonna get my headphones. I also use this for about. It's for free, dude. So I got a broken blaster that is for Captain America, and I got a blaster for my hand. So that's it. So bye. See you. Don't forget, subscribe.